Here's our circuit.
I'm the fire.
We actually have two thermistors here.
We have two thermostat system, two
Hey man, over here.
temperature monitor, not monitor, but the fire alarm system itself. Right here is one, and up here is another one. Then we have the LED power display. Just change your LED, one LED from red, both greens now. They just blink alternatively to display that we have power, pretty much. And right here, this circuit right here is your amplifying circuit. And then you have your monitor circuit right
These are
here.
ours, yeah.
This circuit right here, from that transistor right here all the way up is your monitor circuit. Now, if I point the light onto this transistor, you will see that the temperature is rising.
So it's that.
Yeah, so slightly. So it's very sensitive. So that's pretty much
And it'll
displaying
keep
the room temperature now. It's saying it's 74.71 degrees now in the room, which is pretty.
We're gonna set a fire.
Pretty warm.
Sound the alarm.
Burning the circuit. I gotta get a picture of that. Keep playing with fire.
Burning me, you better hurry.
The temperature went up to 121 degrees Fahrenheit.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Hang on, let me do it again.
And you
Do
can
that one, I'll do
see,
this.
yeah, you can see that the temperature will rise right here where the sensor is.
Yes.
Temperature will go up. Let me see.
Yeah, when you apply heat to this transistor, it'll display the heat here.
And each thermostat works independently. I can set detect right here and it goes off.
It's almost like a zone.
Yeah.
Like a B zone.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Like on
Yeah,
a
it's like a different
house
part
or
of a
car.
building or a
Yeah.
house or yeah.
Yeah.
And then I can set this one off.
And what's up with the two different tones for the same alarm? Is that
Capacitor values.
like, different? Well, I mean, like the longer he held the fire on that one right there, it changed the tone itself.
I thought it stayed the same, don't it?
Like that.
When it's
Oh, is
losing
that- it's
power,
cooling
yeah,
down.
it's cooling
Okay.
down.
Yeah, that's when the
When it loses
resistance
heat,
changing.
yeah.
Yeah.
When it's as it's changing,
Yeah.
it's okay.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Yeah. This one is a little bit higher tone.
Yeah. Are you sick? That's pretty cool.
Cool. Outstanding.
There's our
This
fire alarm.
concludes our fire alarm
Thank you very
presentation.
much.
Next.